Hello everyone, hope all you are doing very well. In this video, I will show you how we can install WordPress in Hostinger. To install WordPress, I have logged into my Hostinger account. Here we have website, domains, emails, and more. To install WordPress, we have to go to website. And one thing you have to keep in mind that if you want to install WordPress, you have to have domain and hosting to install WordPress. And to buy domain and hosting, my number one choice is Hostinger because they're cheap, they're secure, they're fast loaded. So let's see how we can install WordPress. To install WordPress or install a new site, I'm going to websites. I'm clicking over here. All of my already installed website will be appear here. And then to create a new website, I'm gonna click to this add website, this button. Here I have some option to choose. If I want to use Hostinger Horizons, this is one kind of base builder, then I will choose this. If you want to install WordPress, or if you want to build your website using WordPress, then you have to choose this. Here you have some other option as well. If you want to host your HTML or custom made website, you have to choose this. So let's see, I'm going to click to WordPress. Then here I have to choose my domain. If you don't have a domain right now, you can use temporary domain as well, but we have a domain. Let's see how to install website on a specific domain. I have a domain name here, nameservers.com. I registered this domain from Namecheap. So this is not the domain that is in Hostinger. So here Hostinger asking me, do you own this domain? If I own this domain, then I'm going to use this. Otherwise, I have to search something like this, and I have to pay for this, but I have already this domain. I'm going to click this, then next. If you buy a domain from something else from Hostinger, then you have to set your name server. I already did that. That's why I didn't ask here it again. Now I am going to add some information here so that I will use to log into my WordPress website. So here it is English. I am going to use as a default website language in my website. Transit. Okay, fine. Let's create a password. Everything is working fine. Then I have to choose build from scratch or create website with AI. If I use this, then AI will build. AI means Hostinger. I will build a website for me, but I want to build this WordPress website from scratch. That's why I'm going to choose this one. WordPress is installing to my domain. It will take maximum 1 minute. Usually it take less than 30 minutes. Everything is done. My website is ready, but it is in a temporary domain. My website is not installed in my primary domain. So here is my website. I can design, redesign. I can do anything from here using WordPress. But my domain name is not connected yet. Let's see why this is happening. I'm going to click manage button. This is my domain. Domain isn't connected to your website. Okay, fine. Let's see why. Checking guide. Oh, I put this name server, but I have to put this. Okay, let's see how to change. I'm logging to my Namecheap account. If I have a domain name registered on Hostinger, then I wouldn't do this. Here I have my domain. I'm going to click manage. Then here is my name server. Let's change. And then copy the second one and put it here. Then click to this check mark, save. It's saving. Fantastic. It is done, but it can take 48 hours to take effect. But usually connected within few minutes. Let's see. It's not connected yet, but I have done the thing. Next, what will happen? This website will be set up on my domain name. So that's it. This is how you can install your website on Hostinger. I hope this tutorial helped you to set up your website. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you want to see any specific tutorial, I'll come up with a new tutorial next time. Till then, take care.